Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel All Baking and Cooking. So today I have come with a very unique dish. As you know, these are summers in Pakistan, so we have got this lovely lady finger. So there are a couple of many dishes which we make with the lady finger. So today it's a really different and unique dish, and we can have it with boiled rice or as a side dish. So this is called crispy lady finger with gram flour. I'm using cutting board now, and it's a lot easier. I'm taking off the crowns first and then hold it like that, cut it through the center, and then like this. See, it's really easy and less time taking. And the number of pieces of the lady finger really depend on the size. So if they are small in size, we can just divide them into 2 pieces, or otherwise you can divide into 4 equal pieces. So cut open it in the center and then again in the center. So it's a more easier way on our cutting board. So here is the lady finger or bhindi after cutting into 4 pieces. One thing I forgot to mention, that when we buy the lady finger from the market, we bring it home and then we wash it, we rinse it thoroughly under the water, and then we keep it in a colander to get it completely dried up. This thing is really very important if you want to make a crispier bhindi or lady finger, that your bhindi before cutting should be really dried up, completely dried up. There should not be a hint of even water, otherwise it will not be fried or cooked as you want, as you wish to. It should be completely dried up. So now it's time to mix all the spices. So I'm gonna add first of all salt, 1/4 teaspoon. Here I want to mention that this is almost 250 grams of lady finger. Quantity of spices really depends on your liking. How much spicy do you want your bhindi to be? So if you like spice, you can add more spices. So this is red chili, 1/4 teaspoon, and then garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon, coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon, cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon, chaat masala, 1/2 teaspoon, and turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Here I want to mention one more thing. If you would like to have it a bit sour, then you can add curry powder or kachri, not kachri, that is called curry powder actually, to make it a little sour in taste. But I don't like in bhindi that sourness, so I'm not adding that. So if you want to add, you can add 1/2 teaspoon of curry powder. So we are going to mix it, and then in the last gram flour. So I'm going to add 1/4 cup of gram flour. So now we're gonna mix it again, and then we are going to leave it for half an hour for marination. So if you want to make it more spicy, if you think that there should be more spice, then you can add a bit more of the spices. Initially I added 1/4 teaspoon, which I think after adding gram flour, I think that is a bit less, so I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of more red chili powder and turmeric powder. So we have to make sure this is all mixed up and the bhindi is fully coated. So I'm gonna leave it for half an hour, and it's fine if you will leave it for marination even for 1 hour. It would be. So this is our bhindi after marination. Now I'm going to fry it. You have the options. If you want to go for the healthier version, you can just put it in the oven and toss it in between until it gets golden brown color, and or otherwise if you want to have more taste, then fry it, but we will shallow fry it. We will not deep fry it, because I will not recommend that deep frying, first of all because of health issues, and then secondly you can see all the masala batter over it. So if you'll fry it, it will all settle down in the bottom, and bhindis will be left without the marination batter. So we are going to shallow fry them. So we will fry our ladyfinger of bhindi in batches, not all at once, and I will shallow fry it. One more tip to fry it: add the bhindi into the pan when it's totally hot, like it's hot, and I have added almost 2 tablespoons of oil, and I will wait until a little bit smoke starts coming out, and then I'm gonna add one. And at one time we will add only that much oil that is needed to fry. Because we have marinated this bhindi, so all the flavors of the spices which we have added in the batter have seeped into the bhindi. So once it's all turned golden brown and oil has been absorbed by the bhindis, now I'm going to turn the flame a bit low to make it even more crispier. So you can have it with boiled rice, with any rice dish as a side dish, and or just plain. We just want the water which was in the bhindis to get soaked in, and then the bhindis to be perfectly crispy. One more thing, you just need to fry as many bhindis, as many ladyfinger as much you need. You cannot like fry it and then store it for the next meal, because it's gonna get soggy and you are not going to like the taste, because the name is as crispy bhindi, so obviously I hope you can listen the crispiness as I am moving the bhindi into the pan, and you can listen the crispiness of this.